Hello everyone, today I will print some turbo funnel. I need some set. I need 3 pieces. I copy, Ctrl C and Ctrl V paste. 1, 2. Okay, we have 3 pieces. We use the scale 50%, 75%. Now I use the range. Okay, like that. All is ready. I will print this with PETG. This is not high flow and not high speed filament. I will use the nozzle 0.4 and 0.16 standard profile for speed and stretch. I will change something here, make 3 walls and another one if need. For this detail we need 100% the infill, will be more stronger. I little change my datasheet. I include some data here. Before be only fast print and standard. Now is also quality. The quality print speed is like before standard print speed. Now the standard print speed is between fast and quality, is for print some engineering details, what is not so very important, not must be some strange, and this is like a fine quality. The quality print speed is slow but is strong and is very fine, very good quality of print. This is medium quality for the print, the standard print speed. The fast we use only with high flow or high speed filament, because if we use this for other filaments the print not will finish good. And for quality and standard print we can use all filament what we can. You can see here is the speed for the layer 0.16. This maximum speed is 140 mm, and we see here the speed is 140. We not need here the brim. Now we make slice. We calculate the slice. Now little weight is for the standard profile. We can print 8 hours, 47 minutes, it's about 9 hours. If we use the quality profile, with quality profile is more strong and more fine the face of the model when we print. The quality, if we want print something some more beautiful details and more strong It's 11 hours. The standard was 8:47, 9 hours, 2 hours more with this. We need the standard, we return to them, transfer, the settings, we make slice. You must remember for fast profile for print, the print can be filed because not every filament is for high speed. You must remember this. If the filament is recommended for fast speed, we use. If not, we use only standard and quality. Okay, 8 hours 47 minutes. Now is ready for print, and we go to print. I before put to the model in the printer. Now is print. I make only upload, sometimes upload and print if the printer is ready, not print nothing in the time. Okay, now we wait for the printing for model. The model is included in description, also the datasheet for print speeds. And we wait for the printing model. Thank you very much, subscribe my channel, bye bye.